Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog, and I got an update regarding my room. So I just fixed that because a little bit messy, and yeah, all of my stuff here. I'm trying to fix it, but yeah, it's fixed already. We got the Funko Pops with the WWE, my PlayStation 3 games, and that big box right there is my PlayStation 3 console with the PlayStation Box 4 on it. We got the Ric Flair, uh, the Wu edition of WWE 2K19. We got all of my PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games. I got 3 wallets. And of course, here's the TV. Here's the TV. My PlayStation 4, which is right here in my entertainment system. I don't use it anymore, but I'm not gonna sell it. And my PlayStation 5 is here. I'm using it for streaming. And of course, yeah, this is my room. Look at my room, guys. It's so cool. This is the outside here. Yeah. You see that? That's my room, guys. This is my room tour. My room's awesome, man. It has a lot of video games that you can expect. I have the air conditioning in here. Got the TV, got the PlayStation 4, got the PlayStation 5, of course. But yeah, but here guys, here's my room tour. This is my second vlog in my 20s on my room. Maybe I will do a third vlog. I'll tour you around the house, but for now, I'm gonna tour you around my room. So this is my room. I tour you all in my room, and I hope you like this video, guys, because I'm willing to do this. Even though I don't have a permanent job yet, because I want to get monetized on YouTube chat and maintain a community and find my niche here. So all of you know me not just for wrestling and the gaming, but also my personal life as a content creator and a streamer. So for the next video I will make, so I will tell you about myself. So that's on the next vlog, guys. Peace out. Subscribe for more vlogging in my 20s, wrestling content, and gaming content here in my YouTube. Peace out.